Hey guys, Dan here from Dan Steph and a very proud ambassador for Sunport. So, I guess you've all heard about armadillo eggs. They're your little sausage meat with the jalapeno stuffed in it and wrapped. Well, I'm going to do my version of that and we're calling this the Armadoggo. So, it's a hot dog wrapped sausage with cream cheese, and we're going to wrap it with bacon, and we're going to pair it up with some beautiful onions, and it's going to be delicious. So, follow me. So, they're very easy. We've got the Louisiana sausages because, of course, we're going sort of Texan style with the hot dog. So Louisiana, absolutely perfect for this. So what we want to do is we want to just insert the knife and just split them. Like so, because we're going to pipe our cream cheese mixture into that. Very different. We're going to do the old hot dog because this is going to win. There's no doubt about it. So we just want to make a nice little incision here and then just get our fingers in there and split it like that. So we've got plenty of room for this beautiful cream cheese mix that we're going to do. So, right, easy done. So now to our cream cheese mixture. Very simple. We've got chives, we've got chopped up bacon, and we've got our favourite hot sauce. So we're using a bit of the Frank's hot sauce. So we've mixed that all together. We're going to chuck that into a piping bag. Going to get all chefy.
Okay.
So, just going to chop this off here. Then we can move the cream cheese mixture into the thing, like so. Righty. So we just want to get as much of this in as we can without overfilling. And then what we want to do is we want to slice some very thin jalapenos. We want that little bit of kick in it. Piping them in. It's going to be absolutely delicious. Okay. Got our sausages ready to go. We want to thinly slice. And don't worry about those seeds, we want to keep those seeds in because we want that little bit of kick. Right, so sliced jalapenos. And then we just want to place these on top so we get that little bit of heat. Not too much. Thing like that. Okay, so armadillos, obviously stuffed jalapenos with the sausage meat and then wrapped in bacon. So we've taken out one of the processes, which is obviously the minced part. And now, so we're going to use streaky bacon because it's a lot easier to wrap. You don't have to worry about that eye piece of the bacon. So we just in like so. So, and then we're going to have to go again with another bit. One there. Should hold. And roll him up. Looking good. And there one more to go. Righty. A little trim. So what we want to do with these two, we want to get a bit of a nice bit of a glaze. So what we want is we've got our favourite pork rub. We've got some maple syrup. We just want to mix the two together, like so, and then we're just going to give them a good coating. So you want it sort of thick, but not too thick, but not too thin. So I think that's about right. And then we just want to brush this on. Okay, so we've already preheated our oven. We've got it at about 200 degrees because we want to make sure we get this bacon nice and crispy, as well as cook through the sausage meat. So we're going for hot and fast. This is too, guys, if you've got a smoker at home, they go more than exceptional in a smoker. You know, you get your smoker to 150, 160 degrees and just let them slowly cook out and render out all that fat, and they'll be bloody delicious. So if you've got a smoker, by all means use a smoker. Today, we're going for the oven. See you in 20 minutes, Armadoggos. Okay, so out of the oven. They're looking good, a little bit split, but that's all right. We just want to get a little bit more shine on them. A bit more maple, a bit more sweetness. So if we just... And then we've got these beautiful fresh bread rolls. Got these beautiful fresh bread rolls. We're going to just get that in there. Right, so there we go. That's the start of our hot dog. Now we've got these beautiful braised onions. So I like to take them just a little bit further so they're nice and sweet and caramelised. I'm going to put these over the top, like so. And then we've got the American mustard, so we're just going to go over the top with the American mustard. And then we've got the ketchup, not tomato sauce, we've got ketchup. We're just going to go over like that. Okay, so tomato mustard, and then we've got this beautiful smoked cheddar. And we just want to get lashings of this stuff on top here, like so. And you can't tell me that's not a winner. Winner, winner, Armadoggo dinner. Thanks for coming.